Guys, welcome to Girija tutorial. In this video, I am going to be discussing about father of various fields in India. Let us go through the first one. Who is the father of Indian budget? PC Mahalanobis is the father of Indian budget. Second one, who is the father of Indian chemical industry? Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray is the father of Indian chemical industry. Acharya Sir Prafulla Chandra Ray was an eminent Bengali chemist, educationist, historian, industrialist, and philanthropist. He established the first modern Indian research school in chemistry and is regarded as the father of chemical science in India. The Royal Society of Chemistry honored his life and work with the first ever chemical landmark plaque outside Europe. He was the founder of Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. It is India's first pharmaceutical company. He is the author of a history of Hindu chemistry from the earliest times to the middle of 16th century. Who is the father of Indian geology? Robert Bruce Foote is the father of Indian geology. Robert Bruce Foote was a British geologist and archaeologist who conducted geological surveys of prehistoric locations in India for the Geological Survey of India. Foote joined the Geological Survey of India on 29th December 1858. He was posted in the Madras Presidency, Hyderabad region, and Bombay. In 1887, he became a director of the Geological Survey of India. Who is the father of psychology in India? Narendranath Sen Gupta is the father of psychology in India. Narendranath Sen Gupta was a Harvard educated Indian psychologist, philosopher, and professor who is generally recognized as the founder of modern psychology in India, along with Indian scientist Gunamuddin David Boch. In 1916, he established the first independent department of psychology in India, the Department of Experimental Psychology at the University of Calcutta. Who is the father of Indian ornithology? Yevo Hume is the father of Indian ornithology. Alan Octavian Hume was a British member of the Imperial Civil Service, a political reformer, ornithologist, and botanist who worked in British India. He was the founder of the Indian National Congress. A notable ornithologist, Hume has been called the father of Indian ornithology. Who is the father of Indian petroleum industry? Keshavdev Malavya is the father of Indian petroleum industry. Keshavdev Malavya was a leader of Indian National Congress and a Union Minister of India. He was a member of Lok Sabha from Domariagani, Uttar Pradesh. He received his degree in oil technology from HBTI Kanpur. He served as a Minister of Petroleum in 1970s in the Congress government. He is also known as the father of the Indian petroleum industry. Who is the father of Indian algology? MOP Iyengar. Mandayam Osuri Pardasarathi Iyengar. He was a prominent Indian botanist and phycologist who researched the structure, cytology, reproduction, and taxonomy of algae. He is known as the father of Indian phycology and father of algology in India. He was the first president of Phycological Society of India. Who is the father of Indian printing press? James Augustin Hickey. He is the father of Indian printing press. James Augustus Hickey was an Irishman who launched the first printing newspaper in India. Who is the father of Indian Revolution? Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, called maker of modern India by Mahatma Gandhi and father of the Indian Revolution by Jawaharlal Nehru. He helped to lay the foundation for Indian Swaraj. Who is the father of Indian phycology? MOP Iyengar. Mandayam Osuri Padasarathi Iyengar. He was a prominent Indian botanist and phycologist who researched the structure, cytology, reproduction, and taxonomy of algae. He is known as the father of Indian phycology and father of algology in India. He was the first president of Phycological Society of India. Who is the father of Sanskrit grammar? Panini. He is the father of Sanskrit grammar. Astajai, Sanskrit Astajai, Sanskrit treatise on grammar written in the 6th to 5th century BCE by the Indian grammarian Panini. This work set the linguistic standards for classical Sanskrit. It sums up in 4,000 sutras the science of phonetics and grammar that had evolved in the Vedic religion. Who is the father of Indian sociology? G.S. Ghurye is the father of Indian sociology. Govind Sadasiv Ghurye is often called the father of Indian sociology. As head of the leading department of sociology in India for over 3 decades, as the founder of the Indian Sociological Society, and as the editor of the Sociological Bulletin, he played a key role in the institutionalization and professionalization of sociology and anthropology in India. Who is the father of physics in India? Homi Jahangir Baba. Homi Jahangir Baba was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director, and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and also known as the father of the Indian nuclear program. Baba was also the founding director of the Atomic Energy Establishment, TROMBE, which is now named as the Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC, in his honor. TIFR and AET were the cornerstones of Indian development of nuclear weapons, which Baba also supervised as director. Who is the father of radio science in India? Jagadish Chandra Bose. He is the father of radio science in India. As a biologist, botanist, physicist, author, and an inventor, Jagadish Chandra Bose was a man who had done many hats in his life. He was born in 1858 in the district Mymensingh of the Bengal Presidency. Bose was known most significantly for his research on radio development. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, a New York based international body, even called him as the father of radio science, since the science behind radio technology was first explained by Bose. Who is the father of Indian banking sector reforms? Maidavolu Narasimham. M. Narasimham, known as the father of banking sector reforms in India, he is a former governor of the Reserve Bank of India and the architect of banking sector reforms. His contribution to Indian banking was probably more after his retirement than as the chief of the central bank. He headed two committees on banking and financial sector reforms. Narasimham joined RBI as a research officer and then went on to serve the Indian government. He became the 13th governor of Reserve Bank of India. Who is the father of Indian unrest? Balagangadhar Tilak. Tilak was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. He was also conferred with the title of Lokamanya, which means accepted by the people as the leader. Who is the father of Indian Renaissance? Raja Ramohan Rai. Raja Ramohan Rai, the maker of modern India. He is considered to be the father of Indian Renaissance. This multi-faced social, religious, and educational reformer is renowned for his pioneering role in opposing practices like sati, child marriage, and social divisions, and for advocating education. Who is the father of Indian history? The father of Indian history is Megasthenes due to his pioneering work of recording ethnographic observations, which was then compiled into a volume known as Indica. He was the first foreign ambassador to India. The word Indica was used to mean various India related things as per the ancient Greece. Who is the father of Indian Army? Major Stringer Lawrence. Stringer Lawrence was an English soldier. Major Stringer Lawrence, the father of the Indian Army. He was appointed Commander in Chief of the East India Company's field forces in India with its headquarters at Fort State. Who is the father of Indian archaeology? Alexander Cunningham. Sir Alexander Cunningham, British Army officer and archaeologist who excavated many sites in India, including Saranath and Sanchi, and served as the first director of the Indian Archaeological Survey. In 1837, Cunningham excavated at Saranath outside Varanasi, one of the most sacred Buddhist shrines, and carefully prepared drawings of the sculptures. In 1850, he excavated Sanchi, site of some of the oldest surviving buildings in India. Guys, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, please share this video among your friends, and for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.